As you've picked a swinging automatic gate, we're now going to present you with the options for the automation kits for swinging gates. Option 1 is an underground automation system, which is manufactured by Kame. Underground automation systems are typically the most popular, and we would recommend in most cases. The underground automation system comes with foundation boxes, which are installed by the Killeen Gate Centre team, 2 motors, enclosures, control boards, safety sensors, the mobile apps, installation and commissioning by Killeen Gate Centre. If you would like an underground automation system, please make this selection. The second option are rams. These are overground operators, which will be mounted on your gate above ground. The Kame automation is manufactured in Italy, and the rams are specified for the gate selection you have chosen. The ram kit includes 2 rams, enclosures, safety sensors, the Connect module for the app, and installation. If you would like overground operators, please go ahead and make this choice. The third gate option are articulated arm operators. Articulated arms are typically mounted on the back of your piers, where it will reach around to get the gates that are hanging in the center of your piers to open and close them. With this option, it includes 2 articulated arm kits, enclosures, control boards, safety sensors, the Connect module to use the mobile app, and a Killeen Gate Centre installation. You can make the selection above and move on to the next step. But if you still have questions, hit chat now, or see all of these automation options in action at the Killeen Gate Centre, where you can book a showroom visit now. Please make your selection and move on to the next step.